Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay your rent early from Flex. First, unlock your phone and open the Flex app. Log in if needed so you can see your rent and payment option. On the home screen, tap View Schedule or Payment Detail. This shows when your two Flex payments are normally due. First payment and second payment, we will pay this early. Find the payment you want to pay ahead of time. There may be a button that says pay early, pay now, or make payment, even rent auto pay. Flex will show you the amount and the date it will be processed. Tap confirm or pay now to complete early payment. You will get a confirmation once it's processed. Some account does not have a pay early button, but in case you can contact Flex support in the app. Go to the help and support. Ask them if you can process your rent early. They can tell you if early payment is possible for the situation. And always keep enough money in your bank account, especially if you pay rent early, so your payment goes through without issues. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.